there, I'm Vicky the Viking, and today we're gonna learn present simple together. We use present simple for things we do many times, things we repeat. We also use it for things we like or we don't like. What I do every day. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I go to school at 9 o'clock. I go to school at 9 o'clock. I come back home at 2 o'clock. I come back home at 2 o'clock. I like chocolate. I like chocolate today and tomorrow and always. I don't like sausages, but I like hamburgers. I don't like sausages, but I like hamburgers. Now you try it. I don't like chocolate. I don't like chocolate. I like apples, but I don't like oranges. I like apples, but I don't like oranges. I like cake. I like cake. Do you like bananas? Do you like bananas? Do you like hamburgers? Do you like hamburgers? If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, and see you later!